everybody, my name is Vayndan and I'm going to show you how to decorate your paper bowl. Okay, let's get started.
What are you doing, Vayndan?
I am doing a paper bowl.
What is that?
A plate.
What?
A plate or a bowl?
Plate and a bowl.
Come on. Ha, sicker than your average.
How do you do it?
We take a red cup with nothing in, and then we take one paper and stick it here and cover it, and then the back side of it, and then inside of it, and then we go put it outside to dry, and then we cut this part off, and then it can be straight and nice, and then we put again to dry it, and then we paint it with lovely bright colors.
2 hours later.
Now the paper bowl is dry nicely like a cardboard, and then I'm going to paint it now. I already paint finished, and then I'll paint inside, and then wait this part to dry, and then I'm painting blue color.
Three hours later.
This is how your paper bowl looks like. You can color it any color, okay? You need glues if you like. You have the hard crayons. I'm going to decorate it with stickers. Okay. It's all done, see? Oopsie-doodle-dee. See, it's all done. Okay, now it's ready to put some paper clips, pencil, erasers, anything like that. If you like my video, please comment below. Okay, click the below button and please press the like button and please press subscribe.